Welcome to this video on navigating the Pennsylvania EMS registry. In this video, we'll show you, step by step, how to submit Con Ed by endorsement. So, you signed up for a continuing education class, either in the classroom, online, or as live training, and at the end of the class you received a certificate. Well, now what? You want to receive continuing education credit for the work that you did, and entering that certificate in your Con Ed record is done through a process called Con Ed by endorsement. Now, before we go any further, if you took a course through a continuing education sponsor where the instructor enters your information directly into the EMS registry through a roster, or if you took a class on Train PA, the Pennsylvania Online Learning Management System, your Con Ed credit is automatically transferred to your record and assigned to the correct category. If you're not sure if your credit was counted, it's easy to check your record and verify it. But for classes you've taken outside of your agency, maybe at a conference, through a different online vendor, or a class that you found and attended that looked interesting to you, these certificates should be entered as Con Ed by endorsement. And here's how you do it. Your first step is to point your internet browser at the Pennsylvania EMS registry, and that's at ems.health.state.pa.us/registry. Once you're on the web page, log in with your username. That's your certification number. Enter your password and click the login button. Now that you're logged in, you'll see your provider profile on the home screen. To start looking at your continuing education record, click the Con Ed tab. When you land on the Con Ed page, scroll all the way to the bottom to the section marked Con Ed by endorsement. To enter your continuing education, just click on Add Endorsement. Then scroll back to the bottom of the page where you can enter information that's being asked for, like the name of the organization that provided your Con Ed, the city and state where the course was held, and a CAPC number if there was one given. You'll also want to include the date that your Con Ed was awarded and the title, of course. Then you'll select how many hours of Con Ed credits should be awarded in clinical patient care, EMSVO, or the other category. The amount of hours that you request have to match what's on the certificate of completion that you submit. And you should remember, if you enter EMSVO hours, you can also enter the same number of hours in the other category. So for example, 2 hours of EMSVO also gets you 2 hours of the other category in Con Ed. Next, you'll be asked to upload the file to support the Con Ed endorsement, and this can be a certificate of completion, a copy of the syllabus, a conference schedule, as long as we have proof that you were there and you attended the course. Once all the fields are filled out, the file's uploaded and attached to your submission, just click the Submit Endorsement button. Once your endorsement has been submitted, if you scroll back to the bottom of the Con Ed page, you'll see a table of all the endorsements that are currently being reviewed at the Regional Council. It may take up to 14 days to have your endorsements processed, but once the region approves your endorsement, you'll see it in your Con Ed list. If you attended a conference with multiple classes, you can submit all of your Con Ed in one bulk upload, but if you'd like each individual session or course listed on your profile, you'll need to submit each one as a separate endorsement. An exception to this rule is for pre-hospital physicians who can submit a transcript of their CMEs as one bulk endorsement. And there you go. That's it. A quick look at how to submit Con Ed by endorsement. It's a quick and easy way to manage the continuing education that you receive outside of your home agency or not on Train PA. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to reach out to your local regional council. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on navigating the Pennsylvania EMS registry.